Rajeshri from AAD Counselors. Now I will tell you about OT. In OT, I will tell about transportation problem. In transportation problem, there are two types. One is balanced and another one is unbalanced. In balanced, there are three types: northwest coordinate method, and least cost method, and BAM. Now I will tell you about least cost method. I will take this problem as a question, and there are three into four box. Now I will take this supplies and demands. To solve this one, I need to check this is equals to this, and supplies is equals to 1200, and the numbers are 1200. Total sum of supply numbers are 1200, and total number of demand numbers are 1200. Now I will solve this problem. First I need to take, this is the least cost, right? So I will take the least value of this box. In this box, the least value is 1, right? In 1, supply is 300 and 360. In these two, the least number is 30. So I will take here 300. Now divide with 300, this will be 0, and here remainder is 50. So from 0 row, this is row. 0 comes for row, right? So this row will be cancelled. And next the least number is 2. For this 2, I have 400 and 250. In these 2, the least number is 250. So I will take 250. The 250 divided by 250 means 0. Here remaining 150. The column answer is 0, right? So this column will be cancelled. Now here I have the least numbers. I have two least numbers. I will take anything. First I will take this one. In this the least number is 50. Now 50 divided by 50 is 0. And here 450. Next, this is the 0 value, right? So this column will be cancelled. After, I have least value 3. In 3, I will take these two least values is 400. So I will take 400. Divided by 400, this will be 0. And this will be 50. So this one is 0, right? This column will be cancelled. After these two, I will take the least number is 5. For 5, two least numbers are 50. I will take here 50 and cancel with 50. This will be 0 and this will be 150. This is 0, right? So this row will be cancelled. Already these three are cancelled. Now I cancel this one. Remaining number is 9. And for 9, there are two numbers. These two numbers are equal. And means in these two, 150 is the least. So I will take 150 and this will be 0. I solve this problem for, and now I will take transportation cost. Solve the transportation, I will take these numbers which are taken as side value. Now I will take 300 into 1 plus 250 into 2 plus 50 into 3. And next remaining 5 plus 50 into 5. And there is 150 into 9. Now solve this one. 300 plus 500 Now the final answer is 3750. This is the transportation cost. Thank you.